Hello KG2. Two boys are playing with their racing cars. Then they have a game of ping pong. Later, they watch a very strong man lifting weights on television. The man grunts and groans as he lifts the heavy weights. The boys pretend to be weightlifters too. They use a mop and a broom as weights and grunt loudly. Ng, ng.
If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it, say If you're strong and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're strong and you know it, say
So this is our diagram for today. Ng, ng. Swing, swing. Ring, ring. Ping pong, ping pong. String, string. Now let's write digraph ng. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We will start with the N from line number 2. I'll go straight down till line number 3. Then I will go up again, and before I touch the dot, I jump to the right and the tail on line number 3. I'm not going to stop. I will move up again, hit line number 2, jump to the right, back on the curve, and close the circle to write the G. Again, the sound N between 2 and 3, straight down, up again, stop, jump to the right, the tail on line number 3, move up again, hit line number 2, move to the right, back on the curve, and here is the G. Ng, ng. Now let's read R, I, ri, ng, ring. Sw, sw, I, swi, ng, swing. Excellent. Thank you so much. Bye bye.